Okay, so I did a chain just of random size. And then what you'll want to do is, since this stitch, you always kind of lead with a 3 chain. So no matter how many chains you did, you'll go back 1, 2, 3, and then you'll crochet the first stitch into this 3rd chain. So go ahead and do a double crochet into that, and then that makes your first little like pocket, like the 2, and then you'll go ahead and do a chain 1, and then so you did both of the double chains into that 1 stitch, so you'll skip this stitch and then you'll crochet into the next stitch, and then you'll do 2 double crochets into that. Then you'll chain 1 again, skip 1 of your foundation stitches into the next, and then do 2 double crochets into that, and then 1 more chain, skip 1, and then do 1 more double crochet. Okay, so we're at the end of the row, and then you'll turn it and then do the 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and that's kind of the edge. And so if you want to make it bigger, so if you want to make it look like it's growing on the edges, you'll do another double crochet right into that same stitch. That'll make it grow. If you don't want to do that, then this will be like a border, and then you go ahead and just do double crochet into this hole, if you will. So then you can see that it's like a little border, and then you'll do single stitch, I'm sorry, a single chain, and then a double crochet, and then another single chain, and then double crochet into this hole. Okay, and now when you're at the end, it'll be like, oh, well, what do I double crochet into? Well, what you'll want to do is just do another single if you want it to stay square, and 2, so sorry, you'll do 1 double crochet if you want it to stay a square or a rectangle. If you want it to grow like a V, then you'll do 2 double crochets into here. I'm just going to do 1 because I want to keep it as a rectangle. So then that's how that looks. And then now you'll do 1, 2, 3. And then this technically is where you need to do another double crochet into this hole. So you'll definitely have to work it out. If you're keeping it square, it might be difficult. It's easier to kind of make it grow into a V shape. But you can do it. You'll just have to be mindful when you get to the edge here what you're trying to do. So if you're just growing it, or if you're keeping it, you know, square. And how you can tell is, so see how I have 2 of the double crochets down here, then I have 1, then I have 2. That should be an alternating pattern. So you'll have a hole here, 2, a hole, 2, and so this should be the same way. This should be 2, 1, 2, 1, and over on this side, 2, 1, 2, 1. So to keep it square, you'll just grow the stitches on the side in that pattern. And if you want it to get into a V and look like that, then you'll just keep adding double crochets on the end, 2 double crochets on the end, so that it's essentially at the end it'll be like getting double and double and double and growing out this way.